All right. Here's the background noise. Wait, is there background noise? Can you hear the fans? That's not good. Maybe I don't have the gain up high or down low enough. Oh, when I was away and also before I left. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, that must be catching the fans. My desktop computer fans are on, and that's what's streaming out. I wonder if it's trying to do something dynamic with the mic to try to like catch something. Oh, weird. I actually saw that doing something. I don't know what that was because normally it goes down to 0. Overlaid. Hello. How are you doing today? We're doing uh we're figuring things out. Okay. Sylvie, why don't you hang out over here? Yeah, I saw that on the on OBS, which is not great. Where's my cat cam? There you go. Yep, we're fixing. Well, I mean, it's hard to tell how many bugs we're gonna actually fix today. Today is really about organizing all the bugs to fix. So overlaid, I put into the course beta testing channel the a project that I'm using. Sylvie, do you wanna come hang out? You want me to hold you still? Returning chatter. I know it's. I don't know how Twitch decides those rules or not. I have no idea. It's just Twitch sort of adds them in. I clicked. I guess like I didn't click the button to turn off any of those things. It is really interesting the way that it works, but I have no clue about like behind the scenes of what this really is doing. Okay, so yeah, part of this is, let's see. So as a learner, want to see courses that are under construction, and so then that's going to be like that's going to be the thing for that. Okay, and then this is going to be what is that? It's a request. Oh, we don't have a request. So so this can be a feedback / request enhancement. So I'd probably go below the bugs. Maybe I'll just throw it way down here because I have like another one that just delete those courses anyways. So that'll be that. All right, so the cards are clickable, but there's a tiny space outside them. It's all clickable. So this is remove clickable space outside of course cards. Yes, this one's a good one. So this one is just update. I don't know if that's a bug necessarily, because it's not a problem. So it's really a a request that's found. And that's going to be somewhere around here. Yeah, it's a feature request. That's what I have, like a feature request in there. I called it just a request. Okay, forgot to mention the button with the green arrow. Login and purchase feels a bit awkward. Maybe its location. It also feels a bit off. This is login and purchase. Take note. Yeah, so this is change. So as a logged in learner, I want to see, I want to purchase. No, it's not really a change. This is going to be like research and search. It's going to be update login to purchase button design, maybe. And so part of this will be figure out what that is. So research design that we want, implement the design. Oh yeah, there wasn't really much I could do about that. So sorry about that overlaid. That's also what I was trying to create, like private channels and everything else. Okay, don't worry, good. Because there's not really much we could do anymore, right? All right. But if you send me, so in the private channel and the beta testing channel, if you give me your username again, because I forgot what it is, I will add you to this project. So you can come into the project and add that in there. Find it funny that you are streaming, so more people, yeah. That is a truism. Okay, so this is This is more of my discovery. And that's a cool thing, but it's not absolutely essential. So that'll go down to the bottom. All right, next up. Be nice if the circle in red was also clickable and not just, okay, yeah. So this is, as a learner, I want to click the articles. Click the articles to navigate. I guess like I want to click anywhere in the article box to navigate to the article. That one's pretty good. That should go up a little bit higher after somewhere in the middle, somewhere around here. Sure. Okay, we have the Discord card. Its contents can be a little bit more centered. Yeah, okay, so this would be like center card content. Maybe this would be more of like card design updates. Oh, and it's fine now. I just grabbed all these from the beta channel, and now we're adding them in. But it's fine. Don't forget to update this text in the home page. Oh, right. Yeah. So this will be update update LMS description. I am going to go ahead and mark this as I guess this is a request because technically you found it. How do I get like hair? I picked up and Zilby's not here anymore. All right, so the About Us is the place where you explain why your website is different. Okay, so this is gonna be oh, this is two things. So this is add and about us. Okay, so as a learner, as a visitor, to learn more about Brooks Builds. Okay, so there's that. And then this one, okay, so I can remove this. Okay, then Oh, that goes into the other one too. Oh, I can edit. Nice. Okay, this one is all about passwords. So yeah, that's true. I could do all of those. So password, I guess like a create account enhancements. This is, so inputs are too wide here. So shorten, so make inputs less wide. Remove password requirements. Fix password strength meter. Change the literal required to asterisk. Okay. Of course, if we get rid of this page, then obviously we don't have to do that at all, too. That's a little bit more important. Below the bugs, maybe there. The link's in a red circle. Okay. So hey. Oh, look, overlaid. You're no longer returning chatter. When you wrote remove password requirements as a checkbox in that issue, make sure you understand you meant the literal text and not the actual requirements. Correct. Yes. I actually don't set the requirements are set in auth 0, so I'm not touching those. But yes, that's a good call out. Okay, so this one, the links in the red circle, the bottom, the corner field. Oh, those links. So this is footer enhancements. Wait, okay. Was that always over there, or was it over here previously? I don't know. That feels weird. Okay, so this is make links and footer a bit more centralized. Check this. So research footer designs, redesign footer, implement new footer design. You're so close to completing this bounty, but not sure how the finals work. Hopefully they approve everything. Hopefully. Otherwise, hopefully they give you good feedback so you can just get it over the line. The links in the bottom, the space between the footer and actual bottom, and something else. Yeah, it was, which is going to be part of the redesign. Oh, Suyash is working on a code bounty. Did you ever say, Suyash, which repo it's for? Or which project it is? I don't remember. Okay, the logo. Okay, so this is as a learner. I want to click the Brooks Builds logo to return to the home screen. I know we're talking about this. Right. Okay. Oh yeah. So this is that like there's that space on the left hand side of this, and we just want to remove the space before each link. So this will be remove space before each article link in a course article in the course articles nav. And the links that wrap don't have that space and feel super awkward. Yeah, that's true. That is interesting. But technically, I like chose that, so it's not a bug. Finally, got another Zilby here. I'd remove that, click an article to the left to load it, and load the first article instead. Oh, right, yeah. So let's copy this. Okay, as a learner, I want to have another one. As a learner, I want to see the first article. I want to load the first article. Start the first article when launching a course. Okay, so the text that is a greater size. Okay, yeah. So this would be course info enhancements. We want to, okay, the text that has a greater size should be the most important thing, in this case, that's the price. Oh yeah, so this would be reduce price size, and then maybe also move the price below the title. So move price below course title. I can see. Yeah, this one is like, what course do you want? The $20 one. Yeah. It reminds me of like the things that I complain about businesses all the time, which is they're trying to tell me what they want as opposed to what I want as a customer. So it's something like, I want you to buy this $20 course. I'm like, what do I get out of it? It's like, I don't care, but I want you to buy this $20 course. It's like, okay, maybe I should lead with what you get out of it. Yeah, that might be a smart thing to do. Your opinion doesn't count. Just buy this. I promise this will fix everything that you've ever wanted in your life. Just pay me money and hope that this works. I know that it hasn't worked the last 20 times you've done this with other people's courses, but I promise you, this one is different. Okay, remove, so the number one thing I have on here, I need a new column. New column, this is gonna be in progress. And I guess like, even if I look through this, like that, oh, that's cool. I can kind of select you. Oh, but the link opens that. That's cool. So I can do like, all right, I want to work on a first thing. So what's the first thing that looks the most important here? Trust me, I'm a dolphin. Your opinion doesn't count. Just buy this. Yeah. Maybe someday we'll do this. We'll do that. Like it'll be like a joke day or something. Like, oh, if you go to a certain URL and we put in like a little hash or something, it will detect that, and then everything will just be super rude and just like ordering people to do stuff like without like all the courses will be gone, and all just be like a course you really want. Trust us. Remove Axum. Okay, so oh, remove the Axum assessment from the Docker course. That does seem pretty important and pretty easy to do. So I want to come over to here, log in. Okay, so we're going to go into our courses, Introduction to Docker, course articles, and we're going to find the Axum Mirror API assessment, remove you, and save. You know what? That should just, I shouldn't need to scroll up for that. That could be an enhancement too. So this is going to be as an author, when I like do something, I want to see alerts. Oh, what is it called? It's not floating on the top of the screen. Okay, so that should be good, which means I should be able to go back to the course, Introduction to Docker, or open the course, and that is no longer there. Yep, Axum is no longer there. And there we go. Okay, so you're done. So that's a super fast one. That's probably going to be the fastest one. That's probably going to be the fastest one. Nope, I didn't want it to go backwards. I wanted to scroll all the way left. Okay, cool. One done. Congrats on fixing your first GitHub issue of your own repo. Yes. Oh, which reminds me, I don't have these as, I should, hold on. We can set up automations, right? Isn't there a way to set up an automation for this? Workflows. Okay, there is. There's automation already set up that moves the issue when it is closed. Oh, when an item is closed, issue pull request. Oh, set the status to done. Okay, cool. So that already exists. Nice. So if I come back to this, its status is in progress. So if I now move you over here to done, your status is done. Nice. Okay. Excellent. I didn't actually pay attention. I may not have clicked into it. By the way, why do so many people write user stories using the same template? As a X, I want need Y, so that's easy. So this comes from the official like user stories book, which I forget the name was. There's a whole bunch of them now, but the general idea is that we want to create user stories that it's like 2 points of view. We want to both know when it's done. And so that's where the descriptive, like I can do this. And we want to not be prescriptive of how to do the thing. So we talk about it from the user's point of view, as opposed to the technological point of view. So this allows, if you have like a product manager, to say, I want to do this, like a user wants to do this. And then the final thing is that we want to be in the mindset of like whoever is doing this. So I want to think about from your point of view, not just from my point of view. That's the idea. Wait, is the issue still open? So it closed it here. It was this one. The issue is still open. You're right. How do I do this? Item closed? Yeah, I can. I mean, I can archive it or delete it. And if I click into here, you're done. Oh, but okay, so I was hoping that I can have it auto close this issue. Can I do this here? No, not there. I think I have to do this from workflows. So the items closed. Okay, so when an item is closed, can I edit you? Set the value. Wait, is this it? I can't, there's nothing else I could do? This is so weird. Default workflows. Do I have to create a new workflow? Right. So I click, I'm hoping that I can like have it when I move over there, it auto clicks that button. That's what I would love for it to do. I don't see that that's possible. Like even when I update this, like I can just set when an item is, this is the opposite. This is the opposite. If I close it in the issues, it moves over here. Oh, okay. So this is the opposite direction that I'm thinking about. What I want to do is like when I move the card over, it closes the thing, which is not what I want. Okay. Well, I don't think I can do that. So instead, what we do here, let's try this. If I move you over here and we come into you and I say this is closed. I thought that would auto move it over to none, but okay, whatever. Maybe it doesn't happen if I like, okay, whatever. Well, I guess I need to close it from the repo. I can't do that from here and like have it auto move over, which is kind of silly. I'm not sure how much I like that. All right, but one issue done. 45 plus to go. Okay, so visitors able to view course articles without purchasing. That seems pretty important. So we're going to move this in here. Now, how far we're going to get with this, because let's see. I have a meeting this afternoon. I need to figure out when that is. Okay, so I have a meeting at 3 p.m. my time. So I can go until like 2 to 2:30. Oh, this feature request was created in 2018 and they didn't do it yet. Okay, cool. That is lovely to see that GitHub is on top of this. All right, so visitors able to view courses without purchasing, which is not cool. Now, let's see if we can replicate this here. I own this course, so obviously that's not helpful. I own all of these courses, so let me create a... Wait, do I have I think I have a test account. Do I still have a test account or did I delete it? I think I deleted it. Okay, so let's see. Oh, apparently I still do have that test account, maybe. All right, I need to reset the password. Oh yeah, don't worry about giving yours to me. I just need to, I apparently already have one. I just need to reset the password for it. Two. Ooh, okay. to use Yeah, I do. I do. Apparently, for some reason, I did not. Oh wait, did I? Hold on. I may actually. Okay, I think I named. I think I may have just found it. Oh yeah. Okay. So I did already have it in my password manager, but I named it something different. So I didn't find it when I searched for it. Let me change that. Okay, cool. Now we're in here. Okay, so we can go to courses. All right, so I don't own the Docker course. So we go into preview and every single one is preview. Okay, cool. We're gonna fix that. Let's just mark not preview. Look on Discord. Yeah, I figured it was gonna be something like that, where I can go straight to the thing. Renato, hello, and also bye. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out. Okay, so mark not where course this. Okay, so I run you. Now if we hit refresh, okay, I don't have access to any of you. I should have gone into it. So yeah, if I go to courses, access like that, then I do go straight into this. So now what's supposed to happen here is that in my Hasura, I'm not supposed to get access to the content. So my security settings are not correct. So if I go into LMS articles, permissions, a learner can select. Okay, so we have learner and public. So a learner can, oh, row select permissions without any checks. Column select permissions, title, ID, created at. Oh, wait. Article content, that's where I want to be. Okay, so hold on. So learner, row select permission with custom check. Okay. Now try being not logged in. Sure. So not logged in. If we come here, yeah, okay. So that makes more sense. So when I am not logged in, Chantilly, hello. How are you doing today? Yeah, I turned off all the music a short while ago because all of the videos were still getting flagged. I need to, and actually the VOD was getting flagged, like the actual live streams were getting flagged too, and I was really concerned that it would get me strikes on like the actual live stream itself, and not just like VODs that I would put up. So I wanted to, I need to take time to like figure out some other music to do that I won't capture in the VOD recording, that so then like those cut versions won't have any music in it, but these ones will do. I know. It's like, it's the problem with DMCAs. It's like, it's just, it feels out of control. Okay, so all right, I want to get this set up. So we're gonna go into this is gonna be our LMS database. Okay, you're all up to date. I don't think I have anything secret in here. This is a private repo, so you can't all see everything that goes on in here. I have the compose. Okay, so I have a compose YAML. I think we'll just do an up. That brings up database, GraphQL API. I don't have any profiles, it looks like. Okay, cool. So no profiles. We'll be able to just do a Docker compose up. Wait. That's also daemon mode it. How do other people do it? It's interesting because like I keep on seeing people talk about the problem online. So Doug, for example, seems to go through constantly and refresh his music that he's using, and he's very careful about the music that he uses. Also, he's streaming on his main channel now. Some people stream on their alternate channels. That way, if that one gets striked or cut out, then their main channel is okay. That's something we could potentially do. Oh, database error. But it seems to be just like research to find music that you can do that is more open. We were using Pretzel Rocks, but I still kept on getting claims on it. And that's not okay. I've also heard people like there were some cooking streams that I heard where people got claimed for music based upon like the blender running, which is like, okay, that now we know it's just claim trolls out there, which absolutely sucks. All right, why do I have this error? Are you going to tell me? You're not going to tell me. I can, let's see, let's go down. Let's remove orphans if we have them. Let's RMI. Let's also remove the volumes. Let's just remove everything. And I guess we can just go up and not put into daemon mode, and we'll just sort of watch what happens and see if there's any output for this. So to continue the music conversation, one of the things that I noticed that some people do is try to exclusively stay in video game music realm, because video games, generally speaking, want their content creators to they want them to be able to like continue building their stuff and to be monetizing, because if they don't, people won't play their games. Oh, same problem again. Okay, so this wasn't an existing problem. This was something else. And you won't tell me what the problem is. Cool. So this is a database dev API. Okay, so oh, it's the database dev API, but I don't really care about the database dev API. Can we just remove that? I want to... Wait, this is the wrong one. Depends on dev API, so I don't want you. And I'm just not going to run you anymore. Okay, let's try this again. Also, I saw some keys in there. Was that actually keys? Keyboard cat, localhost, Twitch's Helix URL, my user ID, and okay, the create account URI for auth0, which is public. No, okay, so I'm good. All right, so we did that. Let's try this again. We'll go up again, and then maybe this time everything will work. I've also heard of some people trying to collect some music that's like safe for streaming and share it around, but it seems to be the other thing that is a little bit weird. The music that's safe for streaming on YouTube is not the same as the music that's safe for streaming on Twitch, which kind of sucks. And then if I also want to stream on, like, I've been considering paying for Restream, and if I pay for it, I get like 2 more targets that I can stream to. I am considering like adding in like a LinkedIn stream, because this, I do a lot of, businessy type stuff, at least for like my Monday and Tuesday streams. That could be really interesting. And that, but like those, who knows what like the audio, I have no idea like what they would do if like they caught me with like some kind of DMCA. All right, so you're up and running, which means that I should be able to go, I think it's 8080. It's not 8080, 8081. It's 8081. What is that? There was a bearer token that just sort of exposed there. That's cool. Uh, is that my, okay, let me try switching to that. Oh, okay, that jot is an expired jot. I am going to remove it. That does not exist. Chad, thank you so much for the subscription. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 35 months too. I think it is right. How are you doing today? And what have you been up to? Oh, I looked. Yeah, I have the previews up over there on my screen, so I can actually see them. Oh, and of course, an ad break just started, but Chad, you're still here. You're finished up policing the talk for tonight. Oh, I forgot that there's a talk tonight. I don't know if I'm going to be going. But you're talking at one of the meetups, right? And are they streaming the meetup? Denver script. Okay. Cool. Oh, and they stream it? Excellent. Then we can I can watch. I'll watch remotely. We got a squall all throughout like the Denver greater area this morning, and so like the roads are covered in snow and ice, which makes me happy that I don't have to go out to an office today. Okay, so what am I trying to do? I set the headers. Why are you not showing me anything? No query is available. Is that wrong? I have that as keyboard cat. Content type. What have I done wrong? Learner admin. Or author? Oh wait, do I have to have a bearer token to make this work? So what? Authorization? Bearer. Yeah, malformed authorization header. Okay, so if I go to, okay, so I need to log in to my LMS. And then, okay, so I get a token that's in a cookie, I believe, that we get back from auth0. Right, it's my auth token. So if I just take that, and we come back to you, remove those quotes. Invalid number of parts. Expected 3, got 1. Okay, cool. So that's not correct. Auth token, do I copy you? Paste you in there. How about that? Your requested role is not in the allowed roles. Okay, so then I want to learner. Malformed authorization header? It's not great. Okay, the token is valid. No query is available. Cool. Wonderful. Oh, you got a message for that? Never heard of it. What does squall mean? We had to look it up. So a squall apparently is like a super fast, short-lived snowstorm. And the warnings that like we got all across Denver was a bunch of snow is going to come in with gusts of up to 35 miles per hour. Sorry for everybody who is in kilometers per hour. I don't know what that is off the top of my head. That we should expect that the roads are going to start getting icy really fast, and that it's extremely dangerous to be outside. Seek shelter immediately. So yeah, that's it.